Hi guys, I will show you how to make Britney Spears' favorite sandwich. She released her recipe on Instagram video 2 weeks ago. It has an interesting combination of ingredients, but I'm willing to give it a try. So I'm gonna follow her recipe and then give you my review on it. So stay tuned. So here are the ingredients we'll be using to make Britney Spears sandwich. On the left side here are the ingredients I'll use to make the shredded chicken. She also uses shredded turkey, but I'm just going to stick to using chicken. I'll be making a total of 4 sandwiches, so I have 4 small boneless chicken thighs, as well as sliced onion, a bay leaf, 2 garlic cloves, black pepper, ground cumin, kosher salt, and better bouillon. The seasoned roasted chicken flavor. If you don't have this, you can use a can of chicken broth. Britney didn't show how she cooked her shredded chicken, so I'm just going to do it my way and show you how to make flavored poached shredded chicken from scratch. Then for the sandwich, we've got goat cheese, pecans, green leaf lettuce, a pear, avocado, and she said her favorite type of bread, which is Artisan Ciabatta. So I got 4 of those. And that's it, so let's get started. So first I'll be putting the boneless chicken thighs in water where it barely covers it. Then add 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon. If you're not using this, then just replace the water with chicken broth. Then add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Add in 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 sliced onion. This will give it the flavor. And we're just going to mix everything in, and we're going to boil this for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, the next 20 minutes we can put it on low heat and simmer. In the meantime, we can prep the sandwich ingredients. Just take 4 lettuce leaves, 1 per sandwich, and then we'll slice an avocado. So I'll cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and cut slices downwards and then scoop that out. Next, for the pear, we can start peeling the skin off. Then cut the pear in half in quarters and try to get it as thin as you can. If I had to go back and redo this, I think I would have cut them a little thinner so it'll be easier to eat. And then we'll grab some pecans and start dicing these up. And put them in a small bowl. And now we're going to add some goat cheese. Adding about a tablespoon of goat cheese per sandwich, but you can add a little more if you like. And just mix the pecans and goat cheese together. Alright, time to bring out the ciabatta rolls. I have 4 of them in a bag. And we're just going to cut them all in half. Alright, back to the poached chicken. Once the 30 minutes are up, we're ready to start shredding the chicken. Bring just the chicken thighs into a separate bowl, and you can save that chicken broth to be used as soup if you'd like. The next day I poured that over rice for another meal, and that was good. Back to the chicken. With 2 forks you can start shredding the chicken, which will be very easy by the way because it will be very tender. Back to the ciabatta bread, we can start adding the cheese and pecans on one side of each sandwich. Then add a couple avocado slices on each sandwich. And a couple pear slices over that. and then a lettuce leaf over, and then add the shredded chicken over the lettuce. And that's it. Just cover the top of the sandwich and you're good to go with Britney Spears' favorite sandwich. Britney says 15 years ago she used to order this sandwich from Schlotzsky's Deli in New York City all the time, and it's become her favorite, and since then she's never found anything like this. So I'm excited to try this out and I'll give you my review on it, so stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna taste test Britney Spears' sandwich, favorite sandwich. Shredded chicken, avocado, pear, goat cheese, walnut, and lettuce on ciabatta bread. Let's give this a try. Alright. Wow, this is good. I didn't get the pear in, but I got everything else. But the cheese with the avocado and the chicken, wow, that was amazing. Let me try the pear with everything. The pear gives it a little bit of sweetness. Wow, this is different, something good. Okay. Wow, this is really good. I think even without the pear, I think you could do it without the pear. Everything would still be really good. But if you can make the pear thinner, I think it'll be easier to eat. I think I made it a little thick. But overall, it's really good. Wow, this is something different. Something really different with the chicken. I'm loving the goat cheese with the walnut. Good texture and taste. Really good idea. Yeah, this is a really good deli sandwich. I actually like the pear with it. It gives it some juice, some little bit of sweetness juice to it. It's a perfect combination with all of these. Yeah, I like it how it is. Everything Britney Spears mentioned, this is all good. I would never thought about putting a pear in a sandwich on bread, but it's really good. Pear with chicken. So overall, I think this is really good. Something totally different. The combination of all these ingredients really good, goes really well. So the only thing I think I would add a little bit more goat cheese and walnut. I will double what I did. So I know I did 1 tablespoon of goat cheese per sandwich, probably 2 tablespoons of goat cheese, and then double the amount of walnut I did. You could add more flavor to that. It's definitely a really good deli sandwich. I would definitely make this again, and I'd give it a 10 out of 10, perfect score. I would make this again for sure. Well, thank you Britney Spears for sharing this recipe. I loved it. So if you guys haven't tried this out, try it out. It's really good. With the shredded chicken, it's really good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.